Having goodwill and love towards others increases one's own happiness. This is the reason parents often describe their kids as being their greatest joy, because they have a strong sense of love and goodwill towards their children, and this brings joy to themselves. In this session, we will focus on a meditation of spreading goodwill or loving kindness to other beings so that we can partake in the happiness that is goodwill towards others. So, when you are ready, sit comfortably and gently close your eyes. Take a deep breath all the way down to your center. Feel the center of the body. Sense the happiness and energy residing there. Make a wish for yourself. May I be happy. May I be healthy. May I be safe. May I be free from all suffering. Let positivity fill your mind and body. Feel the intention behind each of the phrases as you say all or one of them to yourself. Feel the sincere wish and the joy that arises as a result. Feel the loving kindness enveloping the entirety of your body. Begin to radiate this feeling of loving kindness outwards to all beings in the direction in front of you. Radiate loving kindness to all beings in the direction behind you. Radiate loving kindness to all beings in the direction above you. Radiate loving kindness to all beings in the direction below you. Radiate loving kindness to all beings in the direction to your left. Radiate loving kindness to all beings in the direction to your right. Now, radiate loving kindness simultaneously in all 6 directions, intending for all beings to be happy. Make the sincere wish. May all beings be happy. May all beings be healthy. May all beings be safe. May all beings be free from suffering. Let us now continue in silence as we spread our loving kindness to all living beings in all directions, with no exception.